You're watching Throttle House. I'm Thomas.
And I'm James.
And this is a drag race. A drag race of very powerful, performance-obsessed luxury two-doors. All of them have all-wheel drive and are all automatic with launch control, and all of them pack some serious punch. And because we are most curious about how the new AMG GT63 stacks up, and because the strip isn't that wide, we're gonna do this in 2 heats. First, let's start with all the turbocharged cars.
All right, Karston to the right of me in a 911 Turbo. He could probably run that on comfort and still beat all of us. And then Thomas in the M8. Am I afraid? Yes. Yeah.
All right, I'm in the BMW M8 competition. Like all modern BMWs, this car has 1,000,000 horsepower, which means it's probably going to show that new AMG GT63 4MATIC plus all-wheel drive thing who's boss. And I'm very eager to find out what happens because I think this is a pretty cool car and it's been around for a while, and every time I look at it now, I think it looks better and better and better.
All right, what do they sound like when you're revving? Oh, there you go. The 911 Turbo can lose at something.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, look at that launch!
Oh, that AMG got off quite well.
Go on, AMG. Oh, the 911's going. Oh, there's the M8. There it's gone.
Mr. BMW has got him. Goodbye, thank you very much.
No!
Woo! Oh, this is a fast car, seriously.
Oh, what a brave attempt by the, I almost said SL, AMG GT. Those noises. Don't get tired of those noises.
All right, listen, for just like, it was like a minute when I was just a bit nervous, but it doesn't matter because BMWs have, as I said, 1,000,000 horsepower.
The launch control on this is so exciting.
Yeah, I've tried it with the seatbelt that goes zzz.
It grabs you and
It's
then
really cool.
things, and I've got it set to this, whatever it is, super sport gauge cluster, so everything's happening.
Yeah. So are you in master race mode?
No, I'm just in race mode.
Oh, okay.
I haven't got the lineage to put it in master race mode.
No, that was actually quite a fun race.
Oh, that was fun. All right.
These are fast cars, man. That Porsche obviously just destroyed How did I know that? It's not even the Turbo S.
It's just the turbo.
Just the turbo.
Just the turbo.
Should we do a roll race?
Let's do a roll race.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go on, Merc! Go on, Merc!
Won't even with the AMG. Oh, I've got it.
No! No, no!
This car's quick. Yes.
Oh, that feels heavy on braking. That feels heavy on braking. Oof. Slightly bumpy surface. Sound.
Hello, sir.
That seems quite definitive.
That is very definitive. How much horsepower does that have?
577,
And how much do I have?
600 and something.
Fair enough.
I got more than the Porsche, but the Porsche, he probably pressed sport response.
Yeah, no, obviously Karston's legendary focus resulted in him clearly choosing to press the sport response button on his
Yes.
signal.
Neither he nor the 911 mess around. Do you think a 4 GTS could still beat the M8? It's not as sexy, but it's...
No, because the gap was very big between that and the 911 Turbo.
There was a race here. There was a race here.
Between these two?
Yeah.
It's cute that you think that. Should we maybe bring out something that it might be able to beat?
A mid-engine supercar with 2 more cylinders?
Yeah, that.
Yeah, all right.
Okay. we go.
Yeah, that's a really nice car. It's really, really nice. But it's naturally aspirated, and as we've shown in the past, the Turbo S absolutely wallops it. The Turbo most likely wallops it. These should be even-ish. I should have a good chance here.
Three, two, one,
Oh, and I'm off!
Come on.
Oh, he's keeping with me. He's staying with. No, I can't lose another one.
Oh, I've just got top end power and lightweightedness. Oh, it's a fast friggin' car. What a noise, too. Oh my God.
I can't believe I thought I had him. I thought I had him. That was so stupid that I thought that. You look good in that car.
Thanks, I appreciate that.
It fits it.
Yeah, okay.
Salt and pepper.
Good. Wait, what? I'm sensitive about it. Go ahead. You got nothing, do you? It was just an embarrassment. An absolute embarrassment. Are you ashamed? You don't, it's okay, you don't need to say anything. No, don't cry. He's gonna cry. Okay.
All right. I really thought that was going to be.
This thing's quick. Did you want to do a roll race?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
No chance. No chance.
Bye-bye. Oh God, this sounds good.
Oh, it's so beautiful. So beautiful watching that thing go by.
10 cylinders.
Yeah, all right. All right.
You need to go on a diet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which would you take
The R8.
of all four?
No question.
No question.
Instantly.
Just desirability.
Desirability, it's mid-engine, it's cool, it's got 10 cylinders, it sounds amazing. It's just such a cool car.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mercedes. We're sorry.
Mercedes should be sorry. Well, you wait till I bring out the GT63 SE Performance with 1 billion horsepower.
That thing's going to weigh as much as Lake Ontario.
Never been tested, never been weighed. Lake Ontario, that is.
Okay.
The SE Performance is going to be heavy.
Anyway. Yeah.
Well raced.
Well raced indeed. And because the R8 exceeded our expectations, we thought why not chuck it in with the other two cars as well. And yeah, it picked up the silver medal there. Very nice.
So, the AMG GT63 4MATIC Plus 2-door coupe, whilst still absolutely rapid, doesn't quite match the straight line speed of its foes. But it isn't all about that, is it? So our full review of the GT63 is going to be on the channel soon. We might have brought something funky along, something that sounds like this, to accompany it for that video. So, if you're a subscriber, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.